Lake.
Thereabouts.
We're in Salt Lake, and we've been driving for 7.5 hours now.
Yep.
We left Mesquite at 4:20, and it's now 11:44 Mesquite time. We are on the I-15,
Yep.
headed towards the hotel now.
One more mile.
One more mile, almost there.
Kids have been asleep for 3 hours.
Has it been 3 hours since they fell asleep already?
I think Fillmore?
Since Fillmore? We've been driving 3 hours since Fillmore.
I think so.
That's hilarious. Alright, we're almost there. Hopefully there's room available. We heard that the airport maybe got 10 inches of snow. Check it out. Hopefully there's a room.